In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter Ai for subtitles in YouTube. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your video or audio into clean, timed captions you can use on your YouTube uploads. First, open your browser and head to otter.ai. Sign in as you normally would so you can access your workspace. Otter is a transcription tool that automatically converts speech to text, and it's great for creating subtitle files because it includes the timestamps YouTube needs. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice you have two main ways to bring your content in. If you have a full video file, you can import it directly. If you only have the audio track, you can upload that instead. Either approach works. Choose the one that matches what you've already prepared. For best results, use a clear recording in a common format like MP4 for video or MP3 and WAV for audio. Go ahead and click Import. This opens a file picker so you can browse your computer. Navigate to the folder where your video lives, select the file, and confirm. If your content is stored in the cloud, download it first so you can import it from your device without interruptions. If you're working with just the soundtrack, pick the Upload Audio Only option. This is handy when you've already extracted audio from your editor or received a podcast-style file. The transcription quality will be just as good, and the process is usually a bit faster because the file is smaller. After Otter processes the file, your transcript appears. Now it's time to edit. Play the recording and read along, correcting any misheard words, acronyms, or brand terms. Fix punctuation so sentences read naturally. This makes subtitles easier to follow. If speaker names matter for your video, label them consistently. Small edits here significantly improve the final captions. Continue polishing the transcript until it matches the spoken audio. Listen for proper capitalization, numbers, and names, and remove filler words if they were transcribed in a distracting way. The goal is accurate, readable text that stays faithful to what's said. When you're satisfied, export the subtitles. Choose the subtitle option and select a format that works well with YouTube, typically SRT. Before exporting, check the settings for including timestamps and, if available, limit characters per line to keep captions readable. Save the file to a memorable location on your computer. That's it. You now have a clean, time-coded subtitle file generated in Otter that's ready for your YouTube video.